As we saw the bump test, I will show you now in the same maintenance mode the proper calibration steps. So the maker says you will find this, all of this explanation also in the user manual memory. So it says that we need to start with Z or Z cal. Volume Z cal is the correct menu we should go through. This one will zero my sensors which need to be zeroed. For example, hydrogen sulfide, it's zeroed here in CCR or in the fresh air. Let's call it in the fresh air. It's zeroing in the fresh air. The monoxide of carbon, it's zeroing in the fresh air. The hydrocarbon percentage level, it's zeroing also in CCR. But the oxygen, I have 20.9. I have to zero it with pure nitrogen. Yeah, this bottle contains pure nitrogen. Yeah, and we have to use it to make our oxygen zero. We will press one time OK. Here in this menu appears also hydrocarbon percentage per volume. This sensor, it's also zeroing here together with the oxygen. This sensor we are using in inert atmosphere. So this is the proper gas to use when we zero the hydrocarbon percentage per volume sensor. First, this bottle is different, so we have a different reducer. So we just apply one time enter and we will see the zero, the oxygen coming to zero. And of course it will zero also our hydrocarbon percentage per volume sensor. As soon as the value stabilize, we can press OK and we will see if it's passing or not. It means OK, it passed the test. If something wrong, we will have alarm same like before. Yeah, failed. Yeah, it will write here fail. Now, to be able to go to the next step of the calibration, we have to make air calibration to bring the oxygen sensor to 20.9 and all the other sensors zero. So we go to air calibration in the same menu. Yeah, if we press one time, it says push air. Push air means push air button. Hold air, we will hold air, and release, we will release the air button. Okay, we are good to go. As we did the zero cal and air cal, we will go furthermore to the auto cal. So we have to span gas test our 4 gases. Yeah, 4 gases, not 5 gases. I will let you know later about the 5th one. We are in auto cal mode and we are waiting for the same values of the bottle to appear on my portable gas detector. Whenever these values are stabilized, the maker says around 1 minute. It can be faster than 1 minute, it can be 30 seconds. You have to press enter, and then the word pass will be here displayed. So I will press now, it's already stabilized. pass. So this is auto cal. You have in this menu as well one cal. One cal means you are taking all the 4 sensors which were before displayed here one by one and calibrate them one by one. All 5 actually. You have also here percentage per volume. Yeah. Then you have oxygen, H2S, and monoxide of carbon. Whenever you want to go to test one by one, you just press enter and you go one by one and test. Escape, escape. So in one cal mode, we test only 4 sensors. We span test, span gas test. So we give the sensors a value to be checked, a calibrated value from the bottle to be double checked by the system, by the by the portable gas detector. So what about the 5th one, the hydrocarbon percentage per volume? That one I need to give also a value, a known value. But as we said before, the hydrocarbon percentage per volume sensor works in an inert atmosphere. But here I have 12% oxygen. So I cannot span gas my hydrocarbon percentage per volume sensor with this button. So I have to use another button. I'm using N-butane 8% volume in nitrogen balance. So this bottle is in an inert atmosphere. This gas is in an inert atmosphere. So I know the value 8% per volume. I will see 8% also here in this. I just need to go to one cal, yeah. This is one cal. I'm going one by one, yeah. I said before, one by one. We need to choose hydrocarbon percentage per volume. I will go OK. We have to fill up the bottle, okay, only to see if it's reacting or not. And it's coming up. To go out from here, you go until escape, press enter. And this is the full calibration explanation in the maintenance mode. You cannot go in other mode. This is the maintenance mode. It's only one. To go out from this menu, just press start or long press enter to switch off the portable gas detector. That's all. Thank you very much.